Hello everyone, you're welcome to FX Pre. Today we are going to show ourselves a particular strategy, and this strategy works on all synthetic pairs. If it is boom or crash, it works for it. It works for also all volatilities 25, 50, 75, 100. It works for them. And also, it works for step index. It works for the jumps, the jump pairs that we have. This particular strategy works for them all. So, it is suitable on 1 minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame as well. So before we progress, let me quickly show you the settings. The settings, we only have to use 2 indicators. So as usual, what you first do is you go to the F as usual. So when you tap the F, we have this. Let's assume you don't have anything there already. It's only main charts for those people that do not have anything on the chart before. So what you will do is you will go to the F in front of the main charts. That is where you go. So as you can see from the main chart, we have 3 moving averages. Yes, one of them is to show direction. That is the one I set for the trend. It will show you whether the trend is up or down. And the remaining 2 is for the pairs, for all the synthetic pairs. Okay, so the first one is after tapping the main chart, the plus in front of main charts, it takes you to the indicator. So you move to moving average, then you tap moving average. You have this setting there. This setting is only to show you the direction of the trend. Once you see this marked, after setting this, when you see the gold color on your screen, the main chart, it will show you if the trend is up. If it is above the golden color, it means uptrend. And if it is below, it is downtrend. And if you see it running through the middle of the sticks, the candlesticks, it means the market is ranging. So take this note down, just screenshot it or you write it somewhere. So when you are through with this setting, you click on done by the top right hand side. So here we have it. Just look at the screen. You can see the golden color there. That is to show you the trend, as you can see. All right. After that, we go to F again. We want to set the main chart. Then you have this. Period 300 is still moving average. Shift 0, linear weighted, weighted close, then 4 pixel color purple or blue, whichever color you want. And after that, you click on done. You can see the color there. That is the color. All right. And let's go to F again. We are still setting on the main chart, so which means you are still going to tap here. All right. So when you tap, it takes you to the indicators. Then you scroll down to moving average again. You tap it, and you have this setting. Period 100, shift 0, linear weighted. Then apply to previous indicators data. That is the 300 that we set earlier. So 4 pixel, and you use another color that you can recognize. Make sure they are 2 different colors, right? So you click on done when you are through. So we have the 2 lines there now, as you can see. We have the 2 lines there. So after that, we go to the remaining setting. All right. So you go to F again. This time around, we want to set window 1. We are through with the main chart. So you are going to click or tap this from the main chart again, and this will give the indicators. You scroll down to stochastic oscillator. Once you get there and you tap it, it's going to create window 1 different from any window. All right. So when you get to stochastic oscillator, you tap it. Then you have this setup: 111, low, high, simple, 1 pixel, 1 pixel. Then this main and signal, where we have 1 pixels. If the color of your background, the background of your chart is black, choose color black. Because I'm having white background, that is why I choose white color. As you can see, I chose white colors there. So if yours is black, choose black. Then levels, we have 20, 50, 80. The 20 is when the trend gets to overbought. The 50 there is for accounts that are not that big. So when the trend gets to level 50, you can close it. You can be greedy. So level 80 is the oversold area. So the style, you go for 2 pixel and color black. When you are through with that, arrow back, then you tap done by the top right hand side. So we have the stochastic setup here. As you can see the levels there. I think you can see that. So now let's go for the remaining setup. The same setup we have on the main charts. Remember, we have moving average, 300, and also 100. The same way you set them up on the main chart, the same setting you give to the stochastic. I don't want to go back to it again. So it will still be there since you have created it or set it up on the main chart. If you tap it once again now, it will still give you the same setup. But the 100, since it's the one that you set last, all right, it will what? Let's quickly go there. So this time around, you come to this window 1 after setting your stochastic. When you go there, you tap it, then it will give you indicators. Go to moving average. Can you see? So because the last one that you set was 100, so it's possible you have 100 there. Just change the 1 to 3, then linear weight, weighted close, and give a 4 pixel and color blue the way you have the colors on the main chart exactly. All right, so you click on done. You go to F again. You tap this F in window 1 again. So when you tap it, it takes you to moving average. Tap it, then you have 100, 0, linear weight, then previous indicators data, the way you have it on the main chart. 4 pixel, choose the same color on the main chart, all right? So when you are through with that, you click on done. That is all set now. Now, how to use this indicator is, pay attention very well. We have only moving averages and stochastic. How you use it is on M5. Always confirm your trend before you go to the market so that you not go a wrong way. Okay. So here now, you look for opportunities where you have cross, where you have the moving averages cross. But this is not the cross I'm talking about here. The cross that I'm talking about is if the kind of instrument you are taking, boom, crash, step index, volatilities, jump, whichever you are taking there, make sure if it is a buy, make sure you have this cross. The two moving averages, make sure they cross below level 20 if it is a buy. Make sure they cross somewhere here, right? That is when it is right to enter the trade. And when they cross here, make sure that the one that crosses comes up. Facing up like this, it shows it is uptrend. That is for buy. And if it is sell, make sure the two moving averages, make sure that they cross above level 80, somewhere inside there. Make sure they cross above there, and it is what? Facing down. The 100 MA moving average, make sure it's facing down. That shows it is downtrend. So now let's look at the instances of the buy and sell. Okay, you can see one is here. Look at the cross here and also the cross here. So from this now, remember I said we have the golden line there as a moving average that is showing trend. So from what you can deduce here now, we have uptrend because the trend is above the golden color. All right. So from here now, once this crosses, you can see the light blue color there. That is the 100 moving average. I'm referring to this. You see that it crossed the blue and re-enters into level 20 facing up. So if you want to enter now, you come here, allow it to go back to the line above level 20. Once that is observed, you have something like this here. That is where you enter. Now imagine the profit you have. Imagine. And like I said earlier, that if it is small accounts, you exit somewhere here, where this blue line, where it touches level 50. Now let's see where you exit. You have this here. I want you to touch level 50. Can you see? So which means this is where you exit when it gets to this candle. So imagine you enter here. So see the profits that you have there. Can you see the profits? So you exit when the trade gets to level 50. And if you have more than that, you can hold it and go up. Then when you get to this place, you exit the trade, which is somewhere here. You can see. So you are still in profit. Let's look for another buy. Okay, we have a sell here. You can see the cross here and also cross here, right? So if you are to enter this trade now, you enter somewhere here, and that marks where you have this rejection. You have the rejection to uptrend there. So you enter from there and you have all this. Can you see that? So when you get to this particular place, you exit. Though it retraced and also come back to it, but that is good and enough for you. All right. One more. Always wait for opportunities. Don't just enter into the trade. This is a sell. See the cross there. And if you are to enter, you enter here, which is this double top. No, it's not double top, but rejection there. So you enter there and exit here. All right, let me go to another instrument. That is for, let me take volatility. See another instance here. You can see this shows that it just breaks the, it just broke the trend downward. So the opportunity to buy, that is not clear enough. See the buy here. We don't have any cross there. We cross for sell, just little that, it's money. Cross, it is a cross here. Look at this. So we cannot see the one on the chart, or it is confirmed here. So in this case, you enter somewhere here, which is where we have the green candle showing the wick, and you take the trade up there. That is buy. Let's see any sell. That is not good enough. Not good enough. We have another buy here. Just little buy. And that is for volatility 50. Let's go for volatility, another one. Let's go for jump. Jump 50. Okay. See a cross here for sale. See the cross. So when you enter from there, look at what you have down here. You exit your trade at that place. That is sell. Do we have buy here? Yes, we have the buy. See the cross. You enter somewhere here. You can see that. So that is for jump. We have seen an instance of a buy and sell there. Then let's look at crash 500. Wow. This doesn't touch it, but we have a sell there. It retraces back to the point and comes down. So an instance to sell. Always be patient to look for where you have the cross. There's another one here, and that is it. Just by the trend. It corrects itself and still continue the trend. One more example. Always wait for the opportunity to come. This is a sell. You enter here, it retraces back and come here. So you exit your trade there. That is for crash. Let's go for boom. Boom 1000. This is boom 1000. And this is a long sell already. But we don't have the cross yet. This is a cross at this level here. The one on the main chart does not show. So when you enter, it is from here. But it will retrace back to take it. Then you go up, it retraced again, then to fire up. So if I were you, I will exit here. That's enough. All right. That is for buy. Let's look for your sell. We have a sell here. See the cross, and the cross is up there. So it means when you enter here, it retraces back, go and continue the trend, as you can see. So this is the usefulness and how this particular strategy works. If you can be patient enough to wait for the right criteria to watch out for, then this is very, very profitable. This is how far we can go today in this particular lesson. And do not forget, as usual, to share the link to the channel, bring more people to the channel, and also with you, I still want more subscribers only by your support. So I'm waiting for your support by spreading the videos, share the link, like, and let people know the channel. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel and enable the bell for notification on more videos to come on this channel. I say thank you very much.